How's everybody doing out there? It is Monday, March 8th, 2021. This is a CVM video. I'm trying to do one of these as much as I can. And I'm gonna go over, this is my Facebook post. So this is not a memory post. It's just something I posted this time I was thinking about. Be patient enough for your time. You know, it might take a day, it might take 20 years. You know, the NBA AllStar game just happened. And Mike Conley, NBA AllStar, this is his first AllStar game. After, what's that, 20 years? Not 20 years, I'm tripping. 14 years in the NBA, this is his first AllStar game. 14 years, so think about that. What if he'd gave up on that dream to be an All-Star in year 6, year 5, year whatever? It'd never happen. But he stayed dedicated. He stayed focused. And he got to where he wanted to get to by staying dedicated and by staying focused. So as you set your goal, don't be in such a big of a rush that you might not get it, that it might never happen. Don't be in that big of a rush, right? Have a long-term view, right? It's worth it. So, and everybody's gonna pop at different times, but that's why you make sure you put the work in, you network, you have your business cards on you, right? You talk to people about what you're doing, because you don't know how you might pop. You don't know how it might work. It might work in a way that you never could imagine. You put videos out, you have your business card, you have your website. You do everything you can do. You touch up your concepts, right? You got kids, have them wearing your clothes. You look, right now I got my sweater on, Champions Playbook. This is the bankroll. On the back of it, it says pay for value. I wear my stuff as much as I can. I gotta get some new stuff because I've been wearing it so much, you know. My barber, when I went to go get my hair cut, because he bought 5 shirts from me, man. He was one of my biggest customers of 2020. I went in there, you know, he had my shirt on, different shirts, different times, you know, and I appreciate that. I got, his son is one of the first ones to get one of these hoodies. I felt good. It's years in the making. This is my first official launch with merch, with a concept, with everything. Look how many years it took me. I didn't give up. I went through so much different obstacles on this road. That's why this series is called Champions Value Mindset. You gotta value your mindset. Because on the road to get where you're trying to go, it's gonna be ups and downs. It's gonna be all kind of stuff. It's gonna be times where you got $1 in your name. It happened to me. $1 in your name, that's it. It's just $1. You know. Times you don't even got time. Because your time is situated everywhere else. What you gonna do? I've been through a lot, but it ain't no excuse to not want to push and value every moment and know that my time is coming. Ain't nothing gonna come to somebody that only dreams but a dream. You gotta apply that dream, right? You gotta apply your knowledge. You gotta apply your mindset. You gotta apply everything you think about. You know what I'm saying? It takes time, yes. But just keep going. Don't be afraid. Somebody could tell me, get off this property, and it's whatever. But I had to try, you know what I'm saying? I like this background though, it's cool. But yeah, I just want to put that out there though. It might take time, but it's worth it. Everybody stay positive. More content coming this week. Stay tuned, stay focused, stay champion, stay winning.